to show you how to enter an event in the events calendar on the Oregon AFSCME Retirees webpage. In order to do this, first open the page. You will then need to scroll to the bottom of the page and log in using the login button under the cursor. Now, my password is already entered in my browser, so it enters it automatically. You may need to enter your username and password manually. If you have difficulty doing this, please send me an email and I will make time to help you figure it out. I'm going to log in. Once you log in, you will see your own bio. You should update these so that people know who we are as they try to contact us about retiree issues. In order to make an event on the events calendar, simply go to Events and click on that, and it will open a calendar. As you can see, all the upcoming events are listed to the right, and they are listed in the order of the most upcoming event to the more distant events in time. I'm going to create an event for tomorrow so that we can see it appear on this list after it's created. In order to do that, I will go to the 23rd on the calendar and I will open that, and you will see a dialog box where you can enter all the information you need to create the event. So I'm going to call this a test event, and I'm going to put a test description of the event in the box, and the location for this meeting will be online. And if you want to attach a document to that, you can. When we did the convention, for example, I attached a lot of the convention documents to the event, and people would have been able to download and link to those documents directly from the invitation. The event can be for all day. If you don't want an all-day event, turn that off and enter your dates for here. So the start date will be April 23rd, 2021, and we'll start the meeting at 10 o'clock a.m. as suggested here. The end date for the meeting will be April 23rd, but you can put anything in there that you wish simply by clicking on the calendar. But we're going to leave it at April 23rd. And we'll end it at 1 o'clock p.m. Now, if you can just go ahead at this point and publish it or save it as a draft and come back to it later. Or you can, well, those are your two choices, publish or save it as a draft. Now, if you have a repeating event, a recurring event, you can click repeat, and then you get some more options. You can repeat every week, or every month, or every day, or yearly. Most often we'll have a monthly repeating event. And it can be on the 1st of January every month, or it could be on the first tomorrow's Thursday of every month. And then you can tell it when to stop repeating, what date to stop repeating. So you can practice this using a couple of test dates, but we're not going to activate either of those today. We're not going to have it repeat. We're just going to have it appear once. You can also have an event appear under an individual menu item. So if you had a menu item for stewards, you could have the menu, you could just link to the stewards menu item and have it in there. But we're just going to publish this now. And we will see that our test event is now first on the list. And if we go to the home page, you'll see that our test event also appears on the home page. Now, once you're logged in to that event, once you're logged into the page, you can go back and edit that event. So if we made a mistake in that event somehow, we go to the event, click on the event, and go to the edit pencil. And we can make any changes we want, including the date, time, repeating, menu links, it's just anything we want. Or we can just unpublish it, or we can cancel. That's just canceling the change. So we're going to unpublish that because that's not a real event. So we're just going to unpublish that. And then we'll go back to the home page, and you'll see that that event doesn't appear there anymore. So that's how you do that. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, fvhafrick, first initial, last name, @gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions and if this has been helpful.